Uh, this is a third part of algebra in mathematics. Now the first one is find the remainder when fx is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 2x minus 4 is divided by gx is equal to 1 minus 2x. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हमें एक पॉलिनोमियल दिया हुआ है, इसको हमें डिवाइड करना है इस पॉलिनोमियल से. देन द सॉल्यूशन इज जी एक्स इज इक्वल टू ज़ीरो. तो हम यहाँ पे जो ये पॉलिनोमियल है जी एक्स, इसको हम ज़ीरो के इक्वल करेंगे. देन जी एक्स इज इक्वल टू ज़ीरो इज इम्प्लाइज 1 माइनस 2x इज इक्वल टू ज़ीरो इज इम्प्लाइज 2x इज इक्वल टू 1. देन x इज इक्वल टू half. Value of x is putting in the given polynomial. Now f half is equal to half of cube minus 6 x square half of square plus 2 into half minus 4. Now 1 upon 2 whole cube is equal to 1 upon 8, because 2 cube is equal to 8 and 1 cube is equal to 1. So 1 upon 8 minus 6 into 1 upon 2 whole square. 1 square is equal to 1 and 2 square is equal to 4. So 6 into 1 by 4 plus 2 into 1 by 2. Then 2 is cancel out with 2. Uh, then 1, so plus 1 and minus 4 as it is is equal to 1 upon 8 minus 12 upon 8. Uh, Numerator and denominator both are multiplied with 2. So 6 to the 12 and 4 to the 8. So 12 upon 8 plus 1 minus 4. Then 8 and 8. 8 and 8 both LCM is same. So 1 minus 12 is equal to minus 11 upon 8, and 4 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. So minus 11 upon 8 minus 3. Then 8 3 are 24. So minus 11 minus 24 upon 8. Minus 11 minus 24 is equal to minus 35 upon 8 is the answer. Now using factor theorem, factorize the given polynomial is px is equal to 2x raised to the power 4 minus 7x raised to the power 3 minus 13x raised to the power 2 plus 63x minus 45. The given polynomial, so last number is minus 45, so consider it 45. So multiple of 45 is multiples of 45 are plus minus 1 plus minus 3 plus minus 5 plus minus 9 plus minus 15, then 45 itself. These numbers are multiples of 45. Then if we put x is equal to 1 in px, so x minus 1 is the factor. If it possible, then after we putting this value of x in given polynomial p1, x is equal to 1, P1 is equal to 2, 1 raised to the power 4, minus 7, 1 raised to the power 3, minus 13, 1 square, plus 63 into 1 minus 45. So P1 is equal to 2, because 1 raised to the power 4 is equal to 1, 2 into 1 is equal to 2, minus 7, 1 cube is equal to 1, so 7 minus 7 into 1 minus 7, minus 13, 1 square is equal to 1, so minus 13 into 1 is equal to 13, plus 63 into 1 plus 63, and minus 45, then minus 7 minus 13 is equal to 20, minus 20 and minus 45 is equal to minus 65, and plus 2 plus 63 is equal to plus 65, plus 65 minus 65 is equal to 0. So P1 is equal to 0. That means x minus 1 is the factor of given polynomial Px. Now we put x is equal to minus 1 in Px. So P minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 raised to the power 4 minus 7 into minus 1 cube minus 13 minus 1 whole square plus 63 into minus 1, then minus 45 is implies P minus 1 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 4 is equal to plus 1 into 2 is equal to 2, and minus 7 minus 1 cube is equal to minus 1, minus 7 into minus 1 is equal to plus 7, then minus 13 minus 1 square minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, minus 13 into 1, so minus 13, plus 63 into minus 1, that means minus 63, and minus 45. Now P minus 1, this 2 into 1 is equal to 2, minus 7 into minus 1 is equal to plus 7, and minus 13 minus 63 minus 45 is equal to minus 121. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, 6 plus 5 is equal to 11, so 1, and borrow 1, 1 1 2, 2 and 6 8, 8 and 4 12, so 121 minus is implies 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, and 9 minus 121, that means minus 112, so P minus 1 is not equals to 0. Now put x is equal to 3, P3 is equal to 2, 3 raised to the power 4 minus 7, 3 raised to the power 3 minus 13 into 3 square plus 63 into 3 minus 45 is implies P3 is equal to 2, 3 raised to the power 4 is equal to 81, minus 7, 3 cube is equal to 27, so minus 7 into 27 minus 13, 3 square is equal to 9 plus 63 into 3 is equal to 189, then minus 45 is equal to 81 into 2 is equal to 162, minus 7 into 27 is equal to minus 189, and minus 13 into 9 is equal to minus 117 plus 189 and minus 45. Now 162 plus 189 is equal to 381, and minus 189 minus 117 and minus 45 is equal to minus 381 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 is the factor of Px. X minus 1 and x minus 3 are the factors of Px then px is equal to 2x raised to the power 4 minus 7x cube minus 13x square plus 63x minus 45. Now x minus 1 is the factor of this given polynomial, so x minus 1 is the part of a common factor in this term, so px is equal to x minus 1. Then x minus 1, then 2x cube, x into 2x cube is equal to 2x4, then minus 1 into 2x cube, that means minus 2x cube, then the remaining part is minus 7x cube minus 2x cube, then the remaining part is minus 5x cube, so minus 5x square into x minus 1, so minus 5x cube, because minus 5x square into x is equal to minus 5x cube, then minus 5x square into minus 1 is equal to plus 5x square, then minus 13x square is the previous one, then plus 5x square is the extra term, so minus 13x square plus 5x square, so minus 18x square, because plus 5x square, so we can cancel out this term, so minus 18x square, 13 plus 5, okay, so minus 13x square minus 5x square, because this term of plus 5x square, so minus 5x square is also the added term of this part, minus 13x square, so minus 13x square plus minus 5x square is equal to minus 18x square, then minus 18x x minus 1, so minus 18x square, and the minus 18x into minus 1 is equal to plus 18x, then plus 63x, then the remaining part 63 into 63 minus 18x, 63x minus 18x is equal to 45x, so plus 45 x minus 1 and 40 plus 45 x minus 45, so x minus 1 is the common factor of this polynomial, so x minus 1 is the outer part of this next term, in this next term, then px is equal to x minus 1 2x cube minus 5x square minus 18x plus 45, then x minus 3 is also a factor of this given polynomial, then px is equal to x minus 1 2x square x minus 3, so 2x square into x is equal to 2x cube, then minus 3 into 2x square, so minus 6x square, but minus 5x square is the previous term, then plus x square is the extra term, will be added to this part, because minus 6x square, so the previous one is minus 5x square, so minus x square is the extra term, so plus x square will be added to this term, then plus x minus 3 plus x square, then plus x into minus 3, that means minus 3x, minus 18x is the previous one, then minus 3x minus 18x, so remaining part is minus 15x minus 15 x minus 3 minus 15 x, then plus 45, 15 into 3 is equal to 45. So x minus 3 is the common factor. Px is equal to x minus 3, px is equal to x minus 1, x minus 3, then 2x square plus x minus 15, and px is equal to x minus 1, x minus 3, 2x square plus x. X will be split into 6x minus 5x and minus 15, then is implies px is equal to x minus 1, x minus 3, 2x, x plus 3 minus 5, x plus 3. So px is equal to x minus 1, x minus 3, x plus 3, then 2x minus 5. This is these are all the factors of this given polynomial px. Now the next one is x square minus 31x plus 220. Now minus 31 is splitted into minus 20 into minus, because both the number, both multiple is equal to 220, then the adding part of this term is minus 31x. So the multiple of the splitted part will be 220x square. Now the adding part is equal to minus 31x. So x square minus 20x minus 11x. So minus 31x is splitted into minus 20x minus 11x. So 20 into 11 is equal to 220, and minus 20 and minus 11 is equal to minus 31. So x square minus 20x minus 11x plus 220. Now x is the common factor, so remaining part x minus 20 and minus 11 the common, so minus 11, then the remaining part x minus 20, x minus 20, x minus 11.